I'm Sarah. I was just sent these bleacher seats. We're going to get these all out. Everybody pick out your color. They've got two different ways of carrying them. You've got a strap here, or you've got a padded strap for your shoulder. All right, well, let's take them. So we lift them out. It's got a nice pocket in the front. And then we pull out our hooks. Lay it out. Here, lay it this way. And then undo this part that Velcros it closed in the front for your pocket. And we lift those out. And then this is a nice rubberized part so it won't slide around. And then we hook this around the bottom of the bench. In the front here, you've got nice little zippered pockets. You can put things like your cell phone in here and stick your water bottle there. They're nice and comfortable. So these are nice and squishy on here. They have a nice backrest. Like my husband said, you can lean back on these and you are good to go, ready to enjoy the game. That cool? I like them. They're comfy.
Yeah, I like these pockets in the front because I can keep like, I don't know, stuff in there.
And then whenever we're done,
Keep big old ice cans of root beer in there.
we just close that up. Lift it here. We're gonna get our phone out. Get my water. And I like how this Velcro's closed. So that way it doesn't catch on anything. Yeah, that's really nice.
I like that too.
All right. These are nice and lightweight. Really like how compact they are. They're great for any sort of game.